welcome back to our YouTube channel with another new video of most demanding and all-time favorite leather and latex bell-bottom pant outfit ideas. First of all, I want to thank all those who like my videos, keep supporting and loving. Hello, my beautiful friends. How are you? I hope you are all fine and doing very well. In today's video, I review top trendy and attractive leather bell-bottom pants, cargo, and outfit ideas. So don't skip or miss any of these, watch till end, and discover how these pieces can elevate your style and express your individuality. That highlights your best looks and makes you feel confident and beautiful. High class and fabulous plazo and bell-bottom pants are on top trending. Models and actresses also wear them in party and other occasions. Different ways to style trendy leather and latex shiny bell-bottom pant and outfits ideas. Glossy and shiny Faux leather and latex multiple colors. And design bell-bottom plazo pants and cargo and outfit ideas. Every type of dress and outfits collection you can watch at my YouTube channel in my videos. So, guys, must visit my channel after watching this video. You can get great designs and great ideas. There you can see latest and trendy outfits ideas. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel Satra products yet, then do it, and quickly press the bell icon to get notifications of all my videos reach on time to time. I hope you really like this video, guys, and if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and leave a beautiful comment in comments section. I am waiting for your feedback. Faux leather colorful alternative bell-bottom cargo and plazo pants. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. We will meet soon in another video. Till then, bye, take care, keep supporting my channel, keep watching and sharing my videos, keep smiling, bye.